Hi everyone, today we're going to learn how to use the completing the square in order to solve a quadratic equations. Okay, so today we're going to learn how to use the completing the square method to solve the quadratic equations. Okay, so in order to solve the quadratic equations, first thing is you must make sure that you arrange it into the general form where is ax squared plus bx plus c equal to zeros. Okay, you must arrange in this form first. In these cases, you are quite lucky because the equation already arranged in a x squared plus bx plus c equal to zeros. Okay, and then another thing is, in order to carry out the completing square, one important thing is you must make sure that the coefficient for x actually is equivalent to 1. Okay, so this is very important, but you no need to worry for these equations because in these cases, the coefficient for x squared just nice is 1. So then the next thing is we're going to learn how to carry out the completing square. In order to carry out the completing square, what you need to do is you need to draw a bracket first. Okay, draw a bracket first. So then the next thing is you notice that the x squared will become x squared will become x, okay, and x will disappear. So the coefficient for the x, remember to divide it by 2. Okay, the coefficient for x, remember to divide it by 2. Okay, so then you need to close the bracket and then don't forget to put the power 2 outside the bracket. Then you need to minus, okay, this term. You need to minus this term by power of 2. By power of 2. How about negative 2? Negative 2, you need to move to the right hand side and then do nothing because it's not involved in the completing the square process. Okay, so I repeat again. In order to carry out the completing square, you need to draw the bracket. Okay, so x squared become x will disappear. The coefficient for x, you need to divide it by 2. Then you need to close the bracket and remember to put the power of 2 outside the bracket and minus whatever thing that appear here, you must minus it by the power of 2. Okay, power of 2. Then how about the negative 2? Do nothing, move to the right hand side. Okay, as a 2, negative become positive. Then the next step is you need to move this term to the right hand side. Okay, 6 divided by 2, you get 3. Okay, you move to the right hand side and then don't forget that there's a power of 2 here. Okay, so that's why when 3 power of 2 plus 2, what you get? You will get 11. Okay, then left hand side do nothing. Then the last step what you need to do is, you need to take the square root for the both sides. Okay, so that's why 11 will become plus minus square root of 11. Then how about 3? When you move to the right hand side, positive 3 will become negative 3. I repeat again, last step what I need to do is you need to take the square root for the both sides. That's why 11 will become plus minus square root 11. And then the positive 3, you need to move to the right hand side so that it become negative. So that's all. This is the final answer for this quadratic equation, and you can use this method, the completing square method, to solve the quadratic equations. Okay, so if you have anything that you wish to learn on the following lesson, remember to leave your comments so that I know that what topics they're interested to discuss on the coming lessons. Okay, so if you like my videos, remember to subscribe to my channel, share the video, and remember to turn on the notifications, and don't forget to like the videos. For any online inquiries, you may contact me via this email address. Okay, so that's all for today's lessons. I hope that you enjoyed the lessons. Okay, thank you very much for your time. I will see you on the next lessons. Okay, thank you very much and have a nice day. Okay, bye bye.